Welcome to the marsh. Meet Wren, a great blue heron conducting the morning wading survey, and our guide, the wise Math Shiba. Out here in the shallows, Wren measures stretches of water and weighs her daily catch. Sometimes she needs to record a broad view of the marsh, and sometimes she needs fine detail. But the physical width of a channel or the actual weight of a fish never changes. To record these measurements differently, she relies on equivalence. She simply gives a new name to the exact same physical amount. This animated model shows the basic directional rule of conversion. When you convert from a big unit to a smaller one, you multiply. When you go from a small unit to a bigger one, you divide. Internalizing that rule gives us a consistent way to record data and solve problems across the entire survey. Let's see this in practice. Wren starts by surveying a broad section of the shallows. She measures a gap in the reeds that is 3 meters wide. For the survey log, she documents that exact same span in finer detail using centimeters. The base relationship is 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Moving from a big unit to a small unit, we multiply. We multiply 3 meters by 100, giving 300. 3 meters equals 300 centimeters. Both describe the identical span. The numerical value grows from 3 to 300 because it takes many more of those tiny centimeter units to fill the exact same physical space as 3 large meters. Moving further into the reeds, Wren measures a narrow channel. Her reed shows a width of 250 centimeters, but this time the survey requires the distance recorded in meters. It takes 100 centimeters to make 1 meter. Shifting from a small to a larger unit, we divide. 250 centimeters divided by 100 leaves 2.5. 250 centimeters is exactly equivalent to 2.5 meters. Here, the numerical value shrinks. By grouping those tiny centimeter increments into large whole meters, we get a smaller number. The distance of the channel, however, remains perfectly constant. The wading survey also tracks the daily catch. On the bank, Wren uses a set of weight pans. Her target quota for the morning is 2 kilograms of fish. So far, she has caught 1 kilogram and 400 grams. To find out exactly how much more she needs, she has to subtract her current catch from the target. But you cannot accurately subtract numbers expressed in mixed or different units. This inset shows how we force both values into a single standardized unit. Let's use grams. By multiplying the big kilograms by 1,000, our 2 kilogram target becomes 2,000 grams. Wren's current catch becomes 1,400 grams. Now that the units match, the arithmetic is straightforward. 2,000 minus 1,400 leaves 600. Before you leave the marsh, if a reed is 1.5 meters long, how many centimeters is that, and did you multiply or divide to find out?